Welcome to Ezzy's Cooking. Today's lesson will teach you how to dehusk a corn. Over to you, Ezzy. Explain what you're doing. Do you want to tell the audience how to do it?
Yeah. You whip it up. You find a piece that's like this.
Yeah.
Try and get it. And then you whip it with it.
Okay.
Wait, now am I actually on YouTube?
Yeah, you're going to make me millions of dollars. Okay. So keep ripping. Any other tips?
Yes. You need to find the corn.
Yep.
Called find corn later.
Yeah, that's an important part of dehusking corn. And look, that's a corn we prepared earlier. Do you want to show the audience the corn that you've prepared? Okay. Thank you. See you next time on Ezzy's Cooking.
Wait, are they actually on YouTube?
Yeah.